Papaya, often referred to as the fruit of the angels, is celebrated for its sweet taste and vibrant color. While the juicy flesh of the papaya is commonly consumed, its seeds, often overlooked, harbor a plethora of health benefits. Packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and unique compounds, papaya seeds can be a valuable addition to your diet. In this video, we will explore 8 compelling reasons why you should consider incorporating papaya seeds into your daily nutrition. 1. Rich in nutrients, papaya seeds are a powerhouse of essential nutrients, including protein, healthy fats, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. They contain significant amounts of magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, contributing to overall bone health and metabolism regulation. 2. Digestive aid, papaya seeds are well known for their digestive benefits. They contain an enzyme called papain, which aids in the breakdown of proteins and supports a healthy digestive system. Including papaya seeds in your diet can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. 3. Natural detoxification, the potent compounds found in papaya seeds have been linked to liver detoxification. These seeds can help cleanse the liver by eliminating toxins, promoting optimal liver function, and supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties, chronic inflammation is associated with various health issues, including heart disease and arthritis. Papaya seeds possess anti-inflammatory properties attributed to their rich content of flavonoids and phenolic compounds. Consuming these seeds may contribute to reducing inflammation within the body. 5. Antimicrobial action, papaya seeds exhibit strong antimicrobial properties, thanks to their content of bioactive compounds like benzyl isothiocyanate. These compounds can help combat harmful bacteria, parasites, and viruses in the digestive tract, promoting a healthy gut environment. 6. Supports weight management, if you're on a weight management journey, papaya seeds might be your ally. They are low in calories but high in fiber, promoting a feeling of fullness and aiding in weight control. The digestive enzymes in papaya seeds also assist in breaking down food efficiently, enhancing nutrient absorption. 7. Cardiovascular health. The antioxidants present in papaya seeds contribute to cardiovascular health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, the seed's ability to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels may help prevent heart-related issues and maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. 8. Natural anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that papaya seeds may have anti-cancer properties. The bioactive compounds in the seeds, such as isothiocyanates, have shown potential in inhibiting the growth of certain cancer cells. While more research is needed, including papaya seeds in your diet may contribute to a proactive approach to cancer prevention. Incorporating papaya seeds into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to boost your overall health. From aiding digestion to supporting liver detoxification and offering anti-inflammatory benefits, these small seeds pack a nutritional punch. As with any dietary change, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant adjustments to your eating habits. Embrace the power of papaya seeds and unlock a new dimension of wellness in your daily life.